So, let's read. This book is called Runaway Tomato. Oh no, the tomato. How's a tomato running? I don't know how, but okay. Perfect day, full of light. Rain, rain, rain through the night. It's raining. Do you like rain? Sometimes I do, but it's okay. Tomato grows big, big, big. Door is stuck. Get a rig. Oh no. There's a tomato. Mobile poles. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Try the tractor. Make some room. Children coming. Make the hike. Bringing scooters, wagons, bikes. Hook them up one by one. Parents follow on the run. Tug and pull, push and shove. Tomato stuck, still won't budge. Whole town's here, wow. This must be a big problem. Tow trucks pull with all its might. Whole town's here, and what a sight. Everyone push, 1, 2, 3. Tomato slides, finally free. Heads up, move, look out below. Look out below. Heads up, move, look out below. Tomatoes rolling, won't go slow. Faster, faster, down it slides. Hold on tight. Oh, what a ride. Huh? What? Will it slow? Will it stop? Not yet. So, call the cops. Boo, boo, boo. Here they come. Police cars comes. Officers try. Tomatoes right on by. Oh no. What they gonna do now? Firefighters on the double. Ladders rise. Looks like trouble. Firefighters slip and slide right on down the tomato slide. Far too slippery. Can't hold tight. Look, look, look. Copter's flight. Oh no. Guys, is this ever stop? Oh no. Who knows? Copter lowers, rope with hook. Fly straight up. Oh no, look. Do you think this town will survive this epic tomato battle? Rope is squeezed, much too tight. Tomatoes squishing. What a sight!
Hey, look at that!
Oh no, it's gonna burst. Sausage falling down, 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 like rain, 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 across the town. Yuck, 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 yells out the crowd. It's like a bursting tomato cloud. Clean up time begins right here. Everyone, now, go get your gear. Fill the wagons to the brim. Pickups waiting, dump it in. Tractors plow up fields of goo. Mixer trucks collect your crew. Dozers push, backhoes dig. Sauce fills up 10 red big rings. Are they gonna make it? Well, they did make it, but are they gonna clean it? Garbage trucks, your turn it is here. Bag them up, put them in gear. Fill the hopper to the top. Hopper's full. Time to Drop them. Filled up or to the top, purposeful, time to drop. To the dump, they zoom, zoom, zoom. Dump it out, no more room. Drive back down, the work is done, mess cleaned up. Now, time for some fun. Hurry, hurry, 1 and 0. It's Tomato at City Hall. Time to play. It's fun, fun, fun. Here we go on the rails. Have a scoop or take a sip. Try the coaster or a flip. Throw balloons or take a swim. The pool is filled up to the brim. Sun is setting on the town. Time to dance. Let's hold down. Grab a partner. Do-si-do. Twist and twirl, then take it slow. Grab a partner, grab a partner, grab a partner. No, yo. Grab a partner right now, yo. Darkness settles on the square. Tired people everywhere. Strolling home without a peep. Work is done. Town's fast asleep. Rain, rain, rain through the night. Sun is shining bright, bright, bright. Tomatoes growing at the dump, no more room. Bump. Uh-oh. Bump. Did I have to seriously do it again? Bumping, squishing down the hill, grab the gear, you know the drill. Oh, crud. Is this a drill? Like every single day? Oh, that was Runaway Tomato. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you again later. Gotta keep running on my jog.